Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Prius Prime. The Toyota Prius Prime offers you all the efficiencies that you've come to expect from an electric hybrid vehicle. A comfortable ride, solid handling, and a plethora of technology features are all items you'll experience when you get behind the wheel of the Prius Prime. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.